Hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hi guys, so today we're gonna be playing Flee the Facility.
No voting.
What? Wait, this?
None of these are new.
Yeah, none of these.
This looks new though. I don't know why. So I'm the Beast. Yeah, I'm not. Sorry guys. I'm gonna get Victoria first.
What is this?
Tell me, I will kill you.
Looks very different.
You will not kill me. This is like very cool, guys.
No, wait. No, look at this.
I'm stuck in caps lock.
Don't go there, Victoria. What's your glow? What's your glow?
Probably white.
It's
Oh, Felicia joined.
it's yellow.
Ah, Dana looks so good. Oh my god.
Where are you guys?
I found another computer.
Together. I died and I'm killing you next.
No, no, stop.
Oh my gosh. Guys, help me. Help me.
Haha.
Wait. Oh.
Imagine camping.
Yeah, imagine camping, guys.
Camping.
Save her. No, I'm trying to. Oh.
Of course you are. Oh wow.
Oh, okay.
Oh. Oh my gosh, you guys are mean. I wouldn't save you. By the way, she's hacking a computer.
Yeah, she was
You know
lying.
what? It's fine. There's a window right there.
Liar.
Ooh.
It's fine.
Hi,
There's a window right
guys.
there.
Yeah.
Hi guys.
Oh, is this that lab place or something?
Oh.
Oh, what? Hold on, what? Where did she go? She's not in here because she will close the door. Are you gonna save her? Are you gonna save her?
I was hacking.
You got here.
Play Victoria.
No. You put the game has to win. Rah.
That's what she said.
These maps will be the new one.
Where is she?
All I see is like Chantel literally.
Oh wow.
Oh, she's gonna rage.
Hi, Kyoko.
Kyoko. We're the same. We're always the same.
No.
Well, I don't know why.
Yes. Yeah.
Why is it grass?
Exactly.
This is a cafeteria or something. Okay.
So good at swimming.